And today we're diving into AgencyPro, a client portal to sell services, manage projects, and automate billing under your brand. If you're tired of juggling multiple platforms to manage client projects, invoices, and communications, AgencyPro is here to help. With its intuitive interface, you can easily manage all your client interactions in one place. As soon as you log in, you'll land on the dashboard, your mission control. Here you can see all your clients and projects lined up in one spot. Plus, a quick peek at upcoming tasks, recent activity, and notifications. Want to add a new client? Just hit the Add Client button, drop in their info, and boom, you can spin up a project for them right away. AgencyPro's project management tools make it easy to keep track of tasks, deadlines, and progress. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. You can also add notes, upload files, and communicate with your team and clients directly within the project. This keeps everything organized and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. With AgencyPro, you don't just list your offerings, you get a full-blown digital storefront. The service catalog lets you package up everything from consulting sessions to recurring services into slick, customizable tiles that clients can actually browse like a menu. You can add pricing, descriptions, and even upsell options so prospects instantly see the value you bring. And the best part? These services flow straight into your client portal. So instead of explaining your offers over and over, you showcase them once, then let clients pick and purchase. It's like turning your agency into an always-on shop window, making it way easier to sell without the sales pitch. With AgencyPro, sending invoices is quick and painless. In just a few clicks, you can whip up a branded invoice, add line items, and set payment terms that work for you. Once it's out the door, you'll know exactly where it stands, and yes, you can nudge clients with reminders if they drag their feet. AgencyPro brings all your client management, projects, invoices, and communications into one streamlined platform. If you're ready to save time, look more professional, and scale your agency without the chaos, then click Buy Now to grab lifetime access to AgencyPro today.